Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. But we are back with Umkhokha the Curse and it's happening. Phakathwayo is the husband that he thinks he is. Ukai, even in distress, even in situations where there's no money, even where like his back is turned against the wall, literally there's no plan. Ukai is the husband that he thinks he is. Ukai is supportive of Umamzobe. Ukai is reassuring Umamzobe she should not worry about the money. Ukai is making sure that the kids do not worry about the money despite the fact that there is nothing. On the sidelines, he is fighting for Imaligan daughter, fighting for Uguti Imaligan daughter to be released so that at least they can have something, because Undota was working at the army and upon his passing, no money was shared with the family. When will the money finally be released? Like, we need this ching, like, right, toga dizaga wafethu. Kuba umkhandlo uhlangane outside uNdlovu. Hayi babe ne meeting yabo man. Ndlovu is now offended. Right? Undlovu is offended. Undlovu is asking ukuthi, why is they meeting outside my presence? You know ukuthi yimi insila kamkhululi. So when you exclude insila kamkhululi from the things that must be happening, nisho kanjani bafethu? Guys, we thought ukuthi they would explain, hey, sorry Gatsheni, sorry. Hayi shempatha amadoda sambeni. Ngamakoro mamela ke khona lo veka ispice kaMamzoba ngisho namkhumbula wambiza waya kuNdlovu asaselaphana ngithi uzomarinateka angene kuNdlovu. Guide was not marinated. Wabuza uNdlovu ukuthi ile nonsense ongibizele yona la. Yo guys, uNdlovu, like uNdlovu is not having it. Like yo uNdlovu, no one is giving him a break at this point. Literally I'm scared on his behalf. All right, guy counts his chicken before they hatch, right? Athi-ke kubafazi bakhe uzamcolo uyahamba and ahamba for isikhashana uzo-appointa umuntu endaweni yakhe, and that person is me. Guys, I was like, huh? Njani? Hayi bizwe meeting. Le meeting ibizwa after what? After uNomafu sekaxolisile kubosisi bakhe and apologized and told them ukuthi she understands that she needs to go. After uzamcolo sekahleli no ubani lo, after uzamcolo sekahleli nomama wakhe uManzimande sekam-explainele ukuthi yazini umkhululi umvelasi uzongitshela ukuthi who must I appoint and stuff like that. And then the appointing hour came, guys. Lapha sekuhleli khona etafuleni. Hayi asho uGatsheni athi the word yakamkhululi is the last word. Hey usho ukuthi kuyenzakala. buza ani phakathwayo ngene yani phakathwayo. Khumbula amagama wamfazi wakhe. Athi yo, my wife did say ukuthi yay, this one might be the one that is appointed. Guys, when we're about to hear ukuthi who will sit on the throne, istory sathi Pheliani. Yo mkhululi wezono, khulula umoya wami at this point, because umoya wami uthi tomorrow's episode I want to see what's happening. While we're at that, please do like, share and subscribe. This is your girl, the Disebo D. I love you. Peace. Bye.